بسم الله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله صلى الله عليه وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم. اللهم لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم. How are you, my students? I miss you so much. Today we're going to talk about fractions, okay? And to remember the fraction, here is a whole square. And if we divide this square into equal parts, okay? We have something we call it fraction. Okay, so the fraction is an equal part of a whole square, an equal part of whole object. Okay, of a whole object. Okay, just like this apple. When an object is evenly divided into two parts, each part is called a half, just like this. And to write the half, you have in the number above the line you have 1, and below the line you have 2. Why 2? Because you have two equal parts, and you took one part. Okay, so it is 1 over 2 or half. And if we divide the square into four equal parts, each part is 1 out of 4, so it is a quarter. And if we put them together, you have a whole one. Okay, so this is quarter because the blue is 1 over 4. This red 1 over 4, one part out of all parts, and the yellow and the green either is a quarter. If we put them together, you have a whole one. Here you are, the first question: what fraction of this circle is red? First thing you have to do is count all equal parts you have. Here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 equal parts. You want to know how many red parts out of 4. You have here 1, 2, 3. So you have 3 over 4. Okay. And it is read as a 3 quarters. Okay. 3 quarters. Second one, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 equal parts. You want to know what fraction of this circle is blue. I have 6 blue out of 8. So it is read as 6 over 8. This line is called over, or 6 eighths. 6 eighths. Okay. Another one. How much of this triangle is colored orange? How many orange I have? It's too easy. And without thinking, it's half. How much of this triangle is colored orange? All of them are orange, so I have 2 out of 2, or 2 halves. 2 halves bring a whole one, okay? Because we complete the whole triangle, so it is whole one. Now you have two questions. You will do it by yourself. First one: what fraction of the snowman have a green hats? So you have to count how many green hats you have in whole picture out of all hats you have. So first thing you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4. How many hats you have in all picture, and you have to count after that how many green hats to write the fraction. Second one, you have to count the parrots. How many parrots you have in the picture out of all birds you have. So you have here 1, 2, 3. Count how many birds you have, then count the parrots to write the fraction. Now I want you to open your book at page 46. Page 46. Okay. First question, color according to the fraction, and I do it. The first one, it's too easy, a half. So you have to color one part. Second one, 2 over 3 or 2/3. 2/3. So you have to color two parts out of three. Third one, you have to color the three parts out of five, and it is read as 3/5. 3/5. Okay. Second question, he already colored the figure, but you have to write the fraction. Okay. First one, he colored two parts out of four, so I wrote 2/4. 2/4, 2/4, or half, and it's like half. So 2/4. Second one, 1, 2. So 2 out of all equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 2/6, or 2/6. Third one, you have three green parts, 1, 2, 3, out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 3/6. 3/6. This one, this, and this, you will do it by yourself, but the last one I will do it with you. You have here 1, 2, 3 out of all equal parts. It is 3/10, or 3 what? 3 tenths, bro. 3/10. Okay. Question number 3 in page 47. Notes and complete. Okay. The first one is half. It's too easy. But he wrote beside it 1 equal 2/2. 1 equals 2/2. Okay. And uh, he want to know how many halves in whole one. It's too easy. In the whole circle, how many halves you have here? One part, two parts, so it is two halves. Two halves. Okay. P, same idea. How many thirds you have in whole one? 3/3. 3/3. And etc. How many quarters? 5/4. How many fifths? 5. How many six? And so on. Okay. So you will do the rest by yourself. Question number 4. The whole one. As you know, we said 5/5 or 4/4. So the numerator, or the number here, just like the number below the line. So the number above the line, just like the number below the line. 5/5 give you 1. 5/5. For example, if you have 5 pounds and you divide it into 5 friends, so each one will get 1. So 5/5, or 3/3, 3/3, 4/4, 7, 7/7. Same number give you 1. If the numerator just like denominator. 6/6, 8/8. Any number, any number. 12/12. All of them are right. Okay. So any number over itself or divide itself give you what? give you a whole 1. Okay, so that is a page 47. Page 48, question number 5. You have here a 3 quarters. Okay, so he wrote the fraction in numbers and the letters. Okay, and we do it just like he did. Okay, so first fraction, here we have in the denominator the number below the line all equal parts 1 2 3 4 5 6. So I have in the denominator 6, and in the numerator how many? 1 2 3 4 5 5 blue parts. So it is sorry, it is 5 over 6, or 5 in letters 5 6, just like that. Second one, I have how many equal parts? 1 2 3 4 5. And how many fifths? I have just 4 blue parts. So it is 4 fifths. Okay, C and D, do it by yourself. C and D, you have to do it by yourself. Okay, question number 6. Write the following fractions. 2/3. 2/3. Okay, but before doing that, you have just a minute. You have here this circle. It is a whole 1, and a half is written like that. So he colored one part out of 2. Here a quarter, you know it. 2/3. It is 2 in the numerator and 3 in the denominator. So he colored 2 parts out of 3 equal parts. Okay, so we will do just like that. 2/3, so 2 in numerator and 3 in denominator. Okay, half, it's too easy, you will do it by yourself. 4/7, so 4 here and 7th here. It is what? He divides the bar or the circle or any figure into 7 parts, and he took just 4. Okay, so we wrote it just like that: 4/7, 4/7, or 4/7. Okay, here 7 8, so 7/8. Okay, and the rest are too easy. I will do this with you and you do the rest. 4/9, so 4/9, and it is written like that. Here you have half and 8th, it is 1/8. Okay, 5/7, it's too easy, and 5/6. Okay, so 4/7, 7/8, and 4/9. He divide the bar or the object into 7 equal parts, and he took just 4. Here you have 7/8, and here 4/9, and the rest you will do it by yourself. Okay, and lesson 2 is equal fractions. That's enough for today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.